Sky TV. Hello guys, today from the choosing the white dot in the Tuesday. When this one, when use.
Where there is a color, you select color.
Yeah.
Come here with mama.
When in this,
Mm-hmm.
you can win.
Okay.
Okay, let's play. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Mommy, what's up?
I'll get this.
Ah! Okay, wait, tell me.
Okay.
Okay,
I'll get this one.
I want this too. Let's choose.
Let me see the color. It's
Aha! It's this.
looks like.
Don't open that.
Ah.
Open that.
What if I'm not correct?
Because don't like this one, mommy. Because of the correction, the colors like this one. We did lose. Okay.
Oh, how will you know if it's pink?
Put there and there's another one.
What color is that?
It's
Can you read it? Read.
Cosmos.
May I see? Very good, Cosmos.
Let's see. Open up.
Ay! Ang galing!
Your turn, Mom.
My turn.
Who is it?
I think it's color.
You want this purple?
Okay. I want.
No.
Can you read this?
That violet.
Deep violet.
Deep violet.
Very good.
Okay. Let's see.
Aww.
You lose.
It's green.
Oh,
Oh, you find the real color?
wait. I will.
You find the real color na?
Oh, sorry. Those. I will close it because I will close it because there is no more ink.
Okay.
I.
Oh, you find the real color na. So it will not be ano na. It's done na.
Okay.
Kasi you will already know the color inside.
I want
So I
you.
think it's this one, no?
No. Oh, that's.
Because it's done na eh. We're going to ano na. Mommy is wrong na. We're going to put the
Wait, don't. Okay, fine. Okay.
What is this?
I don't know. Because it's no more.
Oh.
Forest green.
Very good. Forest green. Great job. I'll put the gun there.
There.
And then, your turn.
Okay, I want to choose this.
Okay. Eh! You cheat on me.
That is okay.
You check on it eh. It's not good. You
Okay.
already know the color.
Oi, I want to use.
Oh.
I want to use.
I saw you.
Asana.
What will I say to mommy?
Sorry,
Oh,
Mom.
it's okay.
Mommy, I found another one.
Oh, you guess the color na lang.
Who is it? Big,
Light.
light orange.
Very good.
Let's see.
Busy nga. Ay, ang galing! Nakita mo na.
Guys, I forgot. Because I forgot the part. Okay. It's my turn.
Okay.
Okay. I want. Hello, guys. Today from Mommy and I are best friends again. Okay.
Love you.
First up, we can use that and
What
this
color?
one.
You gotta put the color in the marker.
Yeah.
You guess the color?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's my turn.
It's your turn, okay.
It's my turn.
Your turn.
Okay. Let's see up in there. I I want to choose this. Put there.
What color is that?
Thick blue.
Sky blue.
Okay, let's open 3, 2, 1.
It's wrong, but it's okay. You put that real color. Put now the real color there. The real, color label. Careful. I'll help you.
Look at me.
Oh man. Oh, what color is that? What do you think is that?
What's that?
Okay. Not this one?
Oh,
I think this one.
yeah, let's see. It is this.
Okay. What color is that, anak? Natural oak.
Natural oak.
Okay.
Ah!
Careful.
I fell down the strawberry air.
Mommy's turn.
Okay.
I choose. I think it's scarlet.
Scarlet. I love scarlet.
Look. So hard. Wait.
Wait, yan.
Oh man. It's different. I think it's color. What do you think it's color?
I don't know.
I think it's yellow. No. What do you think, anak? Help mommy.
I think. Let's see.
Let me see. Let me see. Here. Try this.
Ako.
Ito pa.
It is.
Ano?
It is.
I think it's...
I think it's
No.
this one. Oh yeah, it's that.
What color is that?
This one, mommy.
Patingin. Oh, yes. It's almost. May I see what color, anak?
I don't know.
You read.
Yellow. Corn.
Ochre.
Ochre. Yellow ochre.
Ochre. You showed to them. Show to them. Yellow.
Yellow ochre. Sorry.
Sorry.
Okay. Thanks for watching. God bless.